व्यक्त वतन में हम उड़ के चले जाएं, ओ हम उड़ के चले जाएं उस प्यारे से वतन में, उस मीठे से वतन में। जाना है वहाँ हमको जहाँ बाप और दादा है, हो जाना है वहाँ हमको जहाँ बाप और दादा है। बनना है संपूर्ण किया बाबा से वादा है, जो बाबा से किया था वो वादा निभाएंगे। हम उड़ के चले जाएं, ओ हम उड़ के चले जाएं उस प्यारे से वतन में, उस मीठे से वतन में। ये देह ना याद आए, देहधारी ना याद आए, हो ये देह ना याद आए, देहधारी ना याद आए। ये पतित पुरानी सी हो दुनिया भी ना याद आए, याद आए तो बस अपना वो वतन ही याद आए। प्यारे से वतन में, उस प्यारे से वतन में, उस मीठे से वतन में हो, अव्यक्त वतन में हो, हम उड़ के चले जाएं उस प्यारे से वतन में हो, उस मीठे से वतन में।
Took everyone's love remembrances to offer bhog to Baba. And when I was offering bhog to Baba and sharing our love with Dadi and Baba both, as you all know that Dadi is in subtle regions with Baba. And it is so interesting to see Dadi. It's like flying, flying. Looks like even if she's sitting, but she's flying and very, very, very happy. When I say happy, she was always happy, but before, like she would be just cheerful, but now she was, uh, you know, like very, very enthusiastic, very happy. Baba accepted bhog and also offered Dadi bhog. And I said to Baba that we all love Dadi. And even we know that she is an angel, but we still, feel as if Dadi is not here. So Baba was smiling, and then Baba didn't respond because that's our feelings. But then Baba said that each one's life at confluence age is life of blessings. And those who keep this awareness all the time, that this is my Vardhani life, life of blessings, then they allow those blessings to be experienced in life, and their part become very special. So I said, Baba, but if we all have blessings, then why it is that Dadis, they became so special? Baba said because they didn't mix their ordinary sanskars at confluence age. They had sanskars from the past, but their awareness of life of blessing was more powerful and was consistent. So ordinary sanskars, ordinary way of living didn't ever influence them. But some children, Baba says, I said, maybe Baba, you had some more special something for them. So Baba said, no, every child had been given blessing and also has a special part. but awareness of that special part. And Baba says not only special part, but greatness. So Baba says that awareness is not powerful or consistent. So then ordinary thoughts, Baba said, in form of thoughts, words, actions, in the nature, Baba said that take away a lot of power of blessings and image of blessings. So it was very, very lovely when Baba was sharing that, drawing attention to how Dadis, their whole life was life of blessing. And Baba said, each one of you, not only in doing service, but also your image should be should be special, image of blessings, and image which is great image, not ordinary. So I said, well, was laughing because whatever time has passed in our lives, we can't bring back. But Baba says, now pay attention at confluence age, as each Dadi became aware that my part is special, so I cannot use any sanskars from the past. And then Baba, of course, Brahma Baba was example, but Baba said Dadi Hridaya Mohini, Dadi Gulzar was one of that image, that not even for a moment she forgot that I am chariot of God. So she never allowed any ordinary interaction or any thoughts. So throughout, like so many years, she just remained that image of blessings and also greatness. And then Baba said, all these daddies, ancestor souls, they all are your backbone, they are all your support. But to experience that support is not only seeing that I am busy in service but that support should be to inspire us to take more and more sustenance, and then we give sustenance from yajna. I should take sustenance and I should share that sustenance of yajna, because the task is accomplished with the yajna. So Baba said that awareness should always be there. So I said, Baba, before I say, Baba showed that how all the ancestor souls are so happy to have Dadi Gulzar. So I said, but Baba, they won't be together, no, because everyone is at different place. Baba said they are together. Baba said they know because they all gather for their planning in subtle regions. Said, looking at Baba, what time they gather, how they gather. And Baba was smiling. Baba says some of the things are incognito, but all these ancestor souls, they plan. So I was little bit like, oh, we should be part of that planning too. But Baba was smiling. Baba said, they plan. And then Baba said, now is the time for you all Shaktis and Pandavas to take care of Yagya until the completion of Yagya. They played their part, with they playing in a different way. But you all also have now to feel this responsibility that we have to make this Yagya Sampan, that is, completion. So Shaktis and Pandavas collectively with big harmony as army of Shaktis and Pandavas is very well known. You all have to now get this task accomplished. And of course, ancestor souls are there. And never for a moment forget that it's Baba's Yagya. Baba is with us. Baba is guiding us. So Baba was giving this awareness, which is very, very important, and then playing part according to awareness, not according to our what comes in the mind or sanskars. Baba said that doesn't make your part special then. Otherwise, everyone is Baba's special child. Then I was today, I don't know why, I was little bit emotional about Dadi Gulzar. Even these days I didn't. But Baba was looking at me and Baba said, you all are together. Nobody has left. You all are together. And you will remain together as a big family until the end. But some have now incognito part, and you still all have your part in Sakar. But angels and you all are together. It's same task to get the task complete. And then Baba was asking Dadi Gulzar if she has to say something. And she smiled and she said that they have to follow, they have to become. Everyone has to follow Baba and become like Baba. And also give love remembrances to whole family. Today I will just say in 2 lines in Hindi because I have been requested. Couldn't do translation both languages, but तो बाबा ने वतन में याद प्यार स्वीकार करते हुए, भोग स्वीकार करते हुए सबको प्रेम भरी दृष्टि दी। दादी गुलजार को वहां पर इतना जैसे स्वतंत्र, जैसे उड़ती हुई दिखाई दे रही थी। बाबा ने उनको भी भोग स्वीकार कराया। फिर बाबा ने कहा, देखो ये वरदानी जीवन है, सभी के जीवन वरदानी है, विशेष है, महान है, परंतु बच्चे अपने साधारण संस्कारों को मिक्स कर देते हैं क्योंकि ये स्मृति नहीं रहती है। अगर सारा टाइम ये स्मृति रहे कि बाबा की मैं वरदानी आत्मा हूँ, विशेष और महान आत्मा हूँ, ये स्मृति अगर सदा रहे तो बाबा ने कहा ये साधारण संस्कार नहीं मिक्स होने दो। तो आपका पार्ट भी हर एक का बहुत विशेष है और वो पार्ट बजा सकेंगे। फिर बाबा ने कहा कि देखो दादी गुलजार को कभी भी ये भूला नहीं कि बाबा का ये रथ भगवान का रथ है, मैं निमित्त हूँ। तो इस स्मृति के कारण सदा ही वो वरदानी मूर्त रही और सदा ही विशेष और महान रूप से उन्होंने अपना जीवन व्यतीत किया। बाबा ने कहा पूर्वज आत्माएं भी गुप्त हैं, आप लोगों के साथ ही हैं, सिर्फ उनका गुप्त पार्ट है, उन्होंने अपना पार्ट बजाया। यज्ञ की पालना, यज्ञ की संभाल अब आप शक्ति और पांडव सभी को मिलकर करनी है, क्योंकि यज्ञ की संपन्नता अभी आप सबके ऊपर आधारित है। तो बाबा ने पूछा दादी गुलजार से, आपको कुछ कहना है? तो दादी तो हमेशा कहती है बाप को फॉलो करो, बाप समान बनो। इन 2 शब्द दादी ने कहे। तो मैंने कहा दादी हम तो मिस करते हैं दादी को। तो बाबा ने कहा नहीं, सभी साथ हो आप लोग। वो लोग फरिश्ते रूप में हैं और आप लोग वरदानी रूप में, पर याद रखो कि ये जीवन वरदानी जीवन है। तो बाबा का कार्य तो सभी को मिलकर संपन्न करना ही है। ओम शांति।